Z minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z. You were present in the last class, F?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you check?
No
you have done
question,
no,
sir.
no question. No? Okay.
Cartesian form is the last one you did.
Okay. Then please try this question on the basis of this type 2. Find the vector equation. Find the vector equation for the line. Find the vector equation for the line passing through the points -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Okay, find the vector equation of this line. Please try this question. Atif, we have just started this question. Okay, last week we have started type 2. Please try to solve this question. It is based on type 2.
Okay, sir.
So I'm getting minus I plus 2k plus lambda 3i plus 4j plus 6k.
Okay, so I will write the answer here. We are getting this R is equal to minus I plus 2j, sorry, plus 2k cap plus lambda 4i plus 4j plus 4k cap. Are you getting this?
So 3i plus 4j plus 6k.
Take this as A. Okay. And take this as B. Now please try this. Formula is R is equal to A plus lambda B minus A. Put in this formula. Try to solve the question.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Okay, Atif, great. Saf, please confirm once it is done.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Great. Now question 2. Please try this. The Cartesian equation is given. The Cartesian equation of a line. Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 5 by 4 is equal to z plus x by 2. Z plus x by 2. Okay, find the vector equation of this line. Find the vector equation for the line. Okay, please try this.
So is it minus 3i plus 5j plus minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda into 2i plus 4j plus 2k?
Very good, Atif. It is correct. Good. Zef, please confirm once you get the answer. Josefa, you have joined 14 minutes late. Okay, from the next time, please join at the right time. We have completed 2 questions. Please note down the question first. Note down, okay, and note down its answer, and then start question number 2, Josefa.
So I'm getting minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k.
Good. Plus,
Minus 6k.
yes, that's correct. But that is not a complete answer. Okay, you are finding r. R is equal to minus 3 is correct, plus minus 3 I cap. Okay, plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. After this,
1 minute, sir.
okay. Josefa, please try this question number 2, okay, and tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. I'm getting minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda 2i plus 4j plus 2k.
Very good. Please check here. We have this formula r is equal to, this is the type first, r is equal to a plus lambda b. Okay, a is a vector through which the line is passing and it is parallel to b. Okay, and from this we have make this Cartesian form x by x1 by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. X1, Y1 are the points and Z1 are the points through which the line is passing. So from this you get this A plus lambda times of this B. A, B, C belongs to R, this vector B. So lambda times 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap. Is it clear, Josefa? Josefa, is it clear? Okay, great. Then start this question number, this one. The Cartesian equation of a line R 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Okay, find its direction ratios. Find its direction ratios and also find vector equation of the line. Vector equation of the line. Okay, please try this.
Sir, what is the vector equation for the third one?
For the third one, just give me a minute. This is the answer. R is equal to 1 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap plus k cap plus lambda times I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Are you getting this?
No, sir.
Try to reduce this in the standard form. What is the standard form? The standard form is this: x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay, try to reduce this into this form. Then check, are you getting this answer? This is for all of you. Okay, please try to convert this into this form.
So is it 6x minus 2y or 6x minus 2?
It is 6x, sorry, I've done a mistake, 6x minus 2, sorry. 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, it is 2.
Yes, sir. Now I got the same answer.
Okay, Atif, great, great. Joseph and Seth, do you have a problem in this? Question number 3? Do I need to explain it?
No, 1 minute. Sir.
Okay, okay. Josefa, please let me know if you need help. Okay. And in the meantime, Atif, please start question number 4. Okay. Zephyr and Seth, is it done?
No, sir.
Shall I solve this?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Please check here. This is answer 3. Okay. So you have this one, 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1. It is a very important question, okay, because from this you will get to know how to convert a Cartesian form into a vector form when it is not in the standard form. Okay, so if you will compare this with your standard equation, this one, then this is only x minus x. Okay, check here. Here you have 6x, but in the formula you have x minus x1. So Seth, can you tell me how you can make this as x only?
And divide by 6.
Very good, divide by 6. And it is better if you will take out 6. Okay, I will tell you later on why I'm doing like this. Okay, that's the same thing. You can divide the complete equation with 6, but it is better to take out common. Okay, so please remember, in such type of questions, to make this unity, because you need x, here you need y, here you need z, to make them unity, please take out common, whatever the coefficient of x, y and z you have here. So we will take out x 6 common, so what we will get, x minus 2 by 6. Is it clear, Seth?
Yes, sir.
Josefa, is it clear? Josefa, is it clear? Okay, great, great. Is equal to. Then from this, take out 3 common. Okay, because we need to make this unity. So y plus 1 by 3. And from this, what we will take common?
2.
2. So what you will get, z minus 2 by 2. Okay, so that means 2 by 2 means 1. So it's your wish. You can write down this one later on. So I'm writing on the next page. So 6x minus this 2 by 6 can be cancelled out and we will write 1 by 3 is equal to. From this, you can take out 3 common. So this will become y plus 1 by 3. And from this, you can take out 2 common. So you will get z minus 1. Okay. Now, if you will see the standard equation, this one, then you have x minus x1, which you have done. But here also, after the bracket, you have unity. Okay. Here also you have unity. So you need to divide the complete equation by some numbers so that all these will get cancelled out. So who can tell me, except Atif? Okay, Zev and Saf, please tell me with what number we will divide this complete equation so that these numbers will get cancelled out.
6.
6. Very good. Okay, so whatever the numbers you have here, take the LCM of these numbers. Okay, please do not use hit and trial method. Take the LCM of this. So 2, 3, 6, the LCM will be 6. So divide 1 by 6. Divide 1 by 6. What you will get here? 6x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2z minus 1. Okay, divide all these with 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay, so cancel out this. You get a here 2, you get here 3. The final answer is x minus 1 by 3 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 3. Is it clear, Zeph, Zephyr?
Yes, sir.
So this is r, okay, x minus this. So what you will get here, r is equal to 1 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap plus k cap plus lambda I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Note down this, confirm me, then I will change the slide. Okay. And one more thing, no one has shared the snippet with me. Okay, uh, plane is not in our syllabus. This year they have deleted the plane. Okay, in next class I will mark the topics which has been deleted from this chapter. So hopefully soon we will complete this one 3D and start 3 LPP. Okay, but the problem is same. Please do the homework. Okay, because soon we will complete our syllabus and the same issue. You will face the difficulty once you will start the revision. Okay, and then you will not get so much time. Okay, now is it done? I hope is it done. Now please try this one, question number 4. Okay, and share your answer with me. Please let me know if you need help, and I think you need help in this question. Now, the concept which you will see in this question is a very important one. Okay, you will use in we can use that method in some other questions also. Okay, now please check here. You need to find the point on this line at a distance of 3 root 2 from the point 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so try to understand the question. You need to find a point on this line. This is line. Okay, you know this is the equation of the line. You have to find a point on this line which is at a distance of 3 root 2 from this point. Okay, so the distance between this point and one point on this line is 3 root. Always remember, whenever you have to assume a point on a line, you will always do in this way. Let the point be. First of all, we will write the equation of the line. X plus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 2. Okay, and we will compare this with lambda. Okay, now we will write let the point b, let the point b, what is the point? Point is x plus 2 by 3 is equal to lambda. So this will give you what? X is equal to 3 lambda minus 2. Okay, so whenever you have to assume a point on a line, always do in this way, compare that with lambda, equate that with lambda, then find the value of x in terms of lambda. Similarly, y plus 1 is also equal, y2 is equal to lambda, so you will get y is equal to 2 lambda minus 1. Similarly, z minus 3 by 2, similarly, just give me a minute. Similarly, z is equal to z, okay, Z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. We will write Z minus 3 by 2 is equal to lambda. So Z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. So this is Z. Okay. So you get this point. This one. 3 lambda minus 2 this. Now the distance between the point, this one which you have just find out, this point, x is 3 lambda minus 2. Next is 2 lambda minus 1, and next is 2 lambda plus 3. Okay, distance between the point this and this one, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 is 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Okay, so here we have assumed this point. Now it is given that the distance between this point and this is 3 root 2. You know the distance formula. Apply the distance formula between these 2 points, this one and this one. Find out the value of lambda. Okay, and put the value of lambda here. So you will get the coordinate x, y, and z. Is it clear? Atif, Josephus, Saf?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a new concept for you. Please remember this. It's a very, very important concept. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, please start solving this question.
Sir, can you say what is the distance formula?
Distance formula is you are doing from class 10. The same one. Distance t is what? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, please try this. If anyone get the value of lambda, please let me know. What's the value of lambda you're getting?
The lambda has two values, 0 and 30 by 17.
Very good, Atif. It is correct. Very good. So Zeph and Zeph, please confirm me if you are getting these two values. Okay, very good, Atif. Now, please, Atif, find the points and share your answer with me.
So
So we
the
have to
points are,
substitute both the values.
Yes, Zeph. Yes, Atif.
yes, so the points are -2, -1, 3,
Very good. And
and 56 by 17, 43 by 17, and 111 by 17.
very good. It is correct. So Zephyr and Sav, please confirm me if you're getting this answer, or let me know if you have a doubt. Okay, I will just give you 5 minutes for this.
Yes, I'm getting the answer.
Very good, Sav. Zephyr, is it done? Great, great. Now we will start the next topic. Next is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Okay. When you will get the results, Zephyr, I need to check with the team. Okay. I will ask them and let you know. Angle between two lines, the vector equation, let the vector equation of two lines, let the vector equation of two lines R, R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 and R is equal to A2 plus lambda B2. Okay, we have two lines whose vector equation are given. This is line L. This is line L2. Okay. Now, angle between angle, or we will say line L1, line L1 and L2, line L1 and L2 parallel, are parallel to the vector, are parallel to the vector B1 and B2 respectively, and B2 respectively. Okay, you all know this condition. This is your standard equation. You know this. What is A1 through which the line is passing? What is B1? The line is parallel to B1. Similarly, what is A2? The second line is passing through A2. What is B2? The line is parallel to B2. Okay. So I'm saying that line L1 and L2 are parallel to the vector B1 and B2. So I hope there is no doubt in this statement. Now, angle between two lines, angle between two lines are same as the as the angle angle between B1 and B1 and B2. Okay, so the angle between line L1 and L2 is the same as the angle between B1 and B2. This is clear to everyone, or do I need to draw a figure for this? Is it clear to you how the angle is same as between B1 and B2, or I need to draw this? Please tell me. Please check here. Suppose this is your line L1, this is your line L2. Suppose this is your angle theta. Okay. Now I will draw another line. Now for this line 1, there is a vector which is this, just give me a minute. For this line L1, we have a vector which is parallel to this. This is your B1. Okay. Similarly, for this L2, we have one vector B2 which is parallel to L2. Now suppose this is B2. Okay. Now extend this. Now please check this. This angle will also be equal to theta. You have this line L1, L2, angle between them is theta. This angle will also be equal to theta. Okay, so if you will find the angle between B1 and B2, that is same as you're finding the angle between the two lines. So whenever you have the equation of line and you need to find the angle between the line, then we will always find the angle between the two vector B1 and B2. Okay, please let me know if anyone have a doubt at any point. Okay, now this concept become very simple. We just need to find the angle between two vectors. Anyone can tell me how can we find the angle between two vectors? You have already done the vectors. So anyone can tell me how can you find the angle between two vector B1 and B2? Anyone? Atif, Huzefa, Saf? You have
Sir, can
completed,
you repeat the question?
yeah, you have completed the vectors. So don't think that this question is of 3D. Think that I've given this question from the vectors only, that you have two vectors B1 and B2. You need to find the angle between these two vectors. Who can tell me how can we find the angle? Very, very good. Who has given this answer?
Cosine.
Very good, Josefa. Excellent. Yes, you are correct. You know the dot product. Okay. Why I'm using dot product? Because it is convenient to find the dot product as comparison to the vector product. Okay. So whenever you have two vectors and you need to find the angle between them, always use the dot product. Okay. So you have this B1 and B2. What you can do? B1 dot B2 is equal to what? Magnitude of B1, magnitude of B2 into cos theta. Okay. What you need? You need the cos theta. So cos theta is equal to what? B1 dot product B2 by magnitude of B1 into magnitude of B2. Okay. Now this cos theta can be negative, sometimes can be positive. Okay. So what we will do? We will take the modulus of this. By taking the modulus, you will always get an acute angle. Why you will get a negative answer? Sometimes you can get this angle. Okay, so we will always find the acute angle. That's why I always take the modulus of this. When you are finding the angle between two lines, take the modulus of this so that you will get always a positive answer. Okay, so it's not a new formula for you. We have two vectors B1 and B2. We are finding the angle between two vectors. That's why we are using dot product. and we are taking modulus so that we will always get a positive answer. Okay, so this is your formula for calculating the angle. Okay, now we will try, we will find out some statement from this, from some notes. Before that, I will write the Cartesian form also. Okay, Cartesian form. So what is our Cartesian form? Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a1. This is line L1. Okay, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, L2, x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Okay, this is your Cartesian form, L1 and L2. If you're finding from this cos theta, what you will get? What is your vector? Seth, can you tell me what is B1? Seth, vector B1?
x1 I.
No, not x1. A1 I cap. B1 you will get from this. A1 I cap, B1 J cap, C1 K cap. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now B2. What is B2, Seth?
A2I
A2I,
plus
B2J
B2J
plus C2K. Okay, so it's your wish. You can find out B1 and B2 and then apply this formula, or we can derive a formula from this also. So it is B1 dot product B2 by magnitude of B1, magnitude of B2. Okay, so cos theta is equal to magnitude B1, B1 dot B2. So A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap dot product A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap by magnitude of B1. Anyone can tell me what is the magnitude of B1? You have a vector B1. What is its magnitude? It is A1 square, B1 square, C1 square. You have another one. You have A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. Okay, so you get this cos theta. Now just find the dot product. So I will write on the next page. Cos theta is equal to what you will what you will get here. A1 dot A2. So here you will get A1 A2, B1 B2, C1 C2 by under root of A1 square, B1 square, C1 square. Okay, under root A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. Okay, so we get this cos theta. So if you have a Cartesian form, you can use this formula, or if you wish, you can use the same formula, just take out the value B1 and B2 from the Cartesian one. Okay, now some notes. First is if L1 and L2 are perpendicular, if L1 and L2 are perpendicular, then what will happen? Who can tell me what is B1, B2 then? If L1 and L2 are perpendicular, then what is B1 dot B2? Atif Saif, what is B1 dot B2 then? Atif
Zero.
Zef.
modulus of
0,
B1.
0, 0, 0, 0. If L1 and L2 are perpendicular, then dot product will be 0. Why? Because we are getting cos 90. Cos 90 will make everything 0. Okay, so always remember, if two lines are perpendicular, the dot product will be 0. Now you can use this, and what is B1 dot B2 will give you? You have A1 I cap, B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Dot product A2 I cap, B2 J cap, C2 K cap. It is equal to 0. Find out the dot product A1 A2, B1 B2, C1 C2. This give you 0. Okay, second one. If L1 and L2 are parallel, if L1 and L2 are parallel. So for parallel, you remember this condition. L1 and L2 are parallel, that means B1 and B2 are parallel. Parallel means they are collinear. They are collinear also. So if two vectors are collinear, then B1 is equal to lambda times of B2. Remember this? If two vectors are collinear, then always use this condition. B1 is equal to lambda times of B2. Now what is B1? B1 is A1 I cap, B1 j cap, C1 k cap is equal to lambda times of next one, A2 I cap, B2 j cap, C2 k cap. Okay. So from this, what you will get? Compare I and I. So you will get A1 is equal to lambda times of A2, B1 is equal to lambda times of B2, and C1 is equal to lambda times of C2. So from this, what you will get? A1 by A2 is equal to, okay, lambda. Similarly, B1 by B2 is equal to lambda, and C1 by C2 is equal to lambda. So we can combine all the results and you will get A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So if two lines are parallel, you can use this condition. Okay, if two are perpendicular, you will use this condition. So I hope this is clear to you all. Now please note down this, let me know, then I will change this slide. Is it done? Atif, Huzaifar, Saif, shall I change the slide?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so I think everyone has done this. Now please note down this. I will give you 2 minutes for this. Everyone, is it done? Shall I change the slide? Atif, Huzaifar, Saif.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, okay. Please complete this. Okay, and tell me once it is done. Is it done, everyone? Shall I change the slide? We have to start the questions.
1 minute.
Okay. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please note down this, okay, and I will give you a question. Find the angle between the lines. Find the angle. Find the angle between the lines. Between the lines. R is equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus 4K cap plus lambda times I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap, and R is equal to 5J cap minus 2K cap plus nu. Okay, please try this question and share your answer. Everyone, please share your answer if it is right.
Sir, is it cos inverse 8 by 7?
Cos inverse, no, it is 19 by 21. Please check the calculation. All of you, please check the calculation and share your answer.
Yes, sir. Now I got cos inverse 19 by 20.
Okay, Atif, good. Huzefa, Saf, is it done?
One minute, sir.
Okay, Saf. Okay.
So I'm getting cos inverse 18 by 29.
It is cos inverse 19 by 21. Please again check your answer. You see this 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 12, 19. Okay, under root this square plus this square. Check this, it should be 21. Zephyr, please confirm if you're getting this answer. Zephyr, please check this. 3. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 6 to 12. So 19. Okay. And why it is 29? Do the root of this. 1 square, 2 square, 2 square. Into root 3 square, 2 square, 6 square. So it is what? 4483 into root 9 plus 4 plus 36. So it is 7. 3 into 7 is 21. Is it fine, Saf? And
Yes.
Joseph? Okay. Then please try next question. Question 2. Okay, it is quite typical because the equation is not given in the standard form. Find the angle. Find the angle between the lines. Between the lines. Okay, it is x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 minus 2. Now here they have given a comma. Okay, it is not equal to, it is comma. So that's why this question becomes somewhat complicated. Now the next equation is this one. 2y plus 3 by 3 is equal to z plus 5 by 2. Okay. Now please first change this into the standard form. Okay. First tell me the standard form of this, then start solving this question.
Sir, by standard form, you mean the vector form?
Standard form means this one, x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. This form. Okay. Anyone get the standard form for the first part? This okay, this also you need to convert into the standard form because you have a 2 here, but the main issue you will face in this one. Okay, now what we can do here, check this. Here you have a comma. So x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 2. Let this be equal to lambda. That's fine. But what about the z? So the only solution which I can see here is we can shift this becomes 0. And we do not have a lambda here. So what we can do, we can multiply this with a lambda. So we will get this z minus 2 by 0 is equal to lambda. So what the equation you will get, check here, x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 2 by 0. Okay, this was quite typical. So please again check this. Here we do not have a equal to. If we have a equal to here, then it becomes very simple to solve this, to convert this into the standard form. Okay, but we have a comma. That's why we have done in this way. Now it is in the standard form. Please convert this one also and then find the angle. Okay.
Sir, can you explain once more how we got z minus 2 by 0?
Yes, yes. So the issue is here we have a comma. Okay. So what we can do, we have this one, z is equal to 2. What I can write here, z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. We don't have a lambda. We can't add a lambda here. Okay. What we can do, here we have a 0. So we will multiply this with lambda. Now there's no change in the equation. You can shift the 0 to here. This is one way of understanding this. Okay. Now this is also equal to lambda. This is also equal to lambda. That's why we are getting this one. Okay, Adif? If we do not have a comma here, here also you have a equal to, then it will become very simple. Okay. Now change the second one also in the standard form and share your answer.
Sir, is the standard equation for the second one x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 3 by 2 by 3 is equal to z plus 5 by 4?
Y plus 3 by 2 by 3 is equal to z plus 5 by 4. Very good, Atif. It is correct. Very sorry, it is 4. Very good. Now please find the angle. Josefa and Saf, please confirm me if you're getting these two standard equations.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Great, great. Okay, here also you need to take 2 common and multiply the denominator with 2. Now, please find the angle and share your answer.
The theta I'm getting 90 degrees.
So is the angle 90 degree?
Yes, Atif and Seth. Uh, what's the answer?
The 90 degrees.
90 degree. Yes, that's correct. Good, Seth. That is correct. Very good. Josefa, what the answer you are getting? Josefa, what the answer you are getting? Pi by 2. Very good. Please try this question. Prove that the line x is equal to ay plus b, z is equal to cy plus d, okay, and x is equal to a dash y plus b dash, z is equal to c dash y plus t dash are perpendicular if a dash plus c dash plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, please try this one. Okay, this is a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash are perpendicular if this is the condition. Try this. First of all, please convert this into the standard form and share your answer with me. Okay, I will convert the first one. Second, you will do on your own. First is x is equal to, check here, x is equal to ay plus b and z is equal to cy plus d. Okay, now check here, you have a variable y. So what you can do, you can write like this, x, shift this b minus b is equal to ay. Okay, this will give you x minus b by a is equal to y. Okay, let this be 1. Now check this, z is equal to cy plus d. So z minus d is equal to cy. So you will get z minus d by c is equal to y. This is 2. So check here, y is equal to this and y is also equal to this. So from 1 and 2, what you can do? From 1 and 2, you can say that x minus b by a is equal to this one, y, and it is also equal to z minus d by c. Okay, now these all are in equal to. So what we can do, we can write this also like this, x minus b by a. We can write y minus 0 by 1. Check here. And the denominator we can write 1. So we can also write y minus 0 is equal to z minus d by c. Even if you wish, there's no need to write this 0. You can write directly like this, write like this. Okay. So this is the standard form. Now similarly, convert this also in the standard form and prove this. Let me know if anyone have a doubt.
Done, sir.
Okay, Atif, great. Saf and Josefa, please confirm if this is completed.
Not yet, sir.
Okay, Saf.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, Saf, great. Josefa, is it done? Josefa, is it done? Okay, great, great, great. Now we will start next type. So I will say that this is type first. Okay, in this is type first. Okay, please mark in your notebook. This is type first. There are many types in this topic, so please mark this. Now next one, type 2. Okay, next is type 2, which is on finding the finding the equation of a line, on finding the equation of a line, finding the equation of a line parallel to a given line, parallel to a given line, to a given line and passing through a point and passing through a point okay. So in this type, what you have on finding you need to find the equation of a line which is parallel to a given line and passing through a point. So I will give you a question in this. Question is, find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line passing through a point. Passing through a point. Passing through a point. This one, 2, comma, -1, comma, 3, and parallel to the line and parallel to the line. Parallel to the line. This one, R is equal to I plus J, I cap plus J cap plus lambda 2I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap. Okay, so you need to find the equation of a line which is passing through this point. If we will check our formulas, then the type 1 was R is equal to A plus lambda B. Josefa, what is A and B here? Josefa, what is A and B here? Josefa, my voice is audible. Seth, what is A and B here?
Vectors.
Yes, that's correct, Josefa. Good, Josefa. That's fine. That's correct. Yes, yes, Seth. That these are vector, but which vector? What is A? Seth, what is A? We have this formula, Seth. R is equal to A plus lambda B. We have done last week. So in this case, what is A? Seth, my voice is audible. What is A here? In this formula, what is A, Seth? Atif, what is A in this formula?
Sorry, sir.
What is?
Position vector of point A.
Yes, your line is passing through this point. Point A, whose position vector is this one. And what is B, Seth?
Position vector of point B.
What is point B? What was type 1, Seth? An equation of line, what was type 1? Please turn the pages. Tell me. What was type 1?
B was a line which is parallel to L.
Yes, we need to find the equation of a line, this one. Okay. It is passing through a point A, whose position vector is A. Okay. And what is B? It is a vector which is parallel to your line. This was type 1, that a line is passing through this point and it is parallel to a vector B. So B is not a point, B is a vector which is parallel to the line. Is it clear, Saf?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to find the equation of a line which is passing through this point. So what is this? If we have to find the equation, then what is this, Saf? What is this? This is A or B, Saf?
A, sir.
It is A. Okay, your line is passing through this one. So what is A? The point through which the line is passing. So here we will say that A is equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap. Okay. So what you what you further need in this type, in this formula to find the equation of a line?
B.
B. What is B?
A line parallel to L.
A vector which is parallel to this line. Okay. So B is not given in this question. But if you will read the complete question, then they are saying find the equation of a line passing through this point and parallel to this line. So if you need to find the equation of a line, then this line is parallel to this line. Okay. Now check this. If you will compare this, then this is your second line. Okay. This is L2. If you compare this with the standard formula, then your second line is passing through this point. That's fine. And it is parallel to this vector B. So that means this is line 1 whose equation we need to find. We have another line. We have one more line L2. Okay. This is L2 line. We have one more line L2, and this L2 is parallel to vector next. Let this be B. Okay, this your line L2 is parallel to vector B. So line L1 is also parallel to vector B. Is it correct or not, Seth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the equation of L2. In L2, we have a B. What is B? It is a vector which is parallel to the line. Now this L1 is parallel to L2. That means L1 is also parallel to B. So the value of B we will take from here. Okay, so we can write a required line. Required line is parallel to the line is parallel to the line this one is parallel to the line R is equal to I cap plus j cap plus lambda times of 2 I cap plus j cap minus, sorry, okay, is parallel to the line this one minus 2 k cap. That means required line is parallel to parallel to the vector this one 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so that means required line is parallel to the vector this. So the value B you will get this one. Okay, so we'll say so B is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So you have A this, you get a B this. Now you can find the equation of the line. Is it clear? Saf, Huzefa, Atif? This is the last question. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so whenever your line is parallel to a given line, so take out the vector B from that. Okay, now please complete this, find out the equation of the line, then we will end up today's class. Please share your answer if it is done. All of you, please share your answer if it is done.
So I'm getting 2i minus j plus 3k plus lambda 2i plus j minus 2k.
Very good, Saf. It is correct. Atif and Huzefa, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Huzefa, getting the same answer? Huzefa, please confirm. Assignment 2, in last class I have given some homework. Now you need to do from question 10 to 13. Okay, please complete these questions and we will continue this topic tomorrow. Okay. Okay then, thank you so much.